Take 9,000. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am doing a Myntra end of season sale haul today and this is not a sponsored video again. अगर sponsored होती तो anyway sale के पहले आती ताकि आप लोग खरीद सकते, but this is an after sale one and I bought all of these items. So yeah, let's start. Just wanted to show you the amount of parcels I have. I have in total I guess 7 to 8 items and this is the amount of packages I have. मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत गंदी लगती है कि वो एक एक करके भेजते, सब एक साथ भेज दो यार, मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लूँगी तब भी. Anyways, so talking about this top, this is like my most favorite purchase and my best purchase so far. However, the neckline of this one is a little deep according to my comfort level, so I might wear something underneath to be a little more comfortable and confident. So yeah, let's talk about this top only. So this top is from the brand Cashion and I used to hate that brand because उससे एक top मैंने मंगवाया था and वो पिक्चर में बहुत लंबा दिख रहा था बट इट अराइव टू शॉर्ट एंड देन मैं उसको उतारते टाइम मेकअप से गंदा कर चुकी थी तो वो रिटर्न भी नहीं हुआ, वो सिर्फ मेरे पास पड़ा हुआ है. सो आई यूज़ टू हेट दैट ब्रांड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सिली रीज़न, बट दिस टाइम व्हेन आई वाज लुकिंग अराउंड द ऐप ड्यूरिंग सेल मुझे ये दिखा एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाई नॉट. However, इसकी भी लेंथ शॉर्ट है. I'll adjust the try on part for you guys to see. इसकी भी लेंथ शॉर्ट है and it might not be like very comfortable for all of you. So लेंथ देख लेना, उसी के बाद ऑर्डर करना. And the price of this one, so I bought it for 539 rupees and it is right now for 599 rupees. So it's still a good price and if you wish to buy it, you can actually go ahead and buy it. In the picture, however, the neckline does not look very deep, but on me it feels a little deep. सबका अपना comfort level होता है, so I'm not really sure अगर वो उसमें नहीं दिख रही है और मुझ पे दिख रही है या कुछ ऐसा, I don't know. But yeah, you can definitely buy this top if you wish to. I really like it and I am absolutely keeping it. So the next top that we have is from Trendyol and इसमें in this top my size is M and Trendyol वाला I'll show it. So this is the one from Trendyol and Trendyol on Ajio and on Myntra में तो दोनों जगह ही मतलब Trendyol as a brand I like it. So I tried the M size of this top and it was a little tight for me. इसके साइड में ना zip closure है and वो zip नहीं बंद हो रही थी, so I went ahead and ordered a size bigger and मैंने इसको exchange कराया अभी and अब ये zip closer मैंने उसके बाद से try नहीं करा. I just opened it in front of you guys, but I will try it and see. वैसे तो आ जाएगा but ज़्यादा लूज़ ना हो, बस ये चीज़ का मुझे डाउट है. मैंने इसको ट्राई नहीं करा है, सो आई कैंट गिव यू अ कंप्लीट रिव्यू अबाउट इट, कैसा लग रहा है कैसा नहीं. यू कैन सी इट योर सेल्फ इन द ट्राई ऑन. हाउएवर अबाउट द प्राइस, Trendyol as a brand is really expensive, तो its original price is 24.99 but I got it for 760. Alright, so this top is from Trend Arrest and this is in satin material and I sort of liked it, sort of didn't like it. I don't know abhi iska bhi. It has these tie-ups on the top for you to tie your sleeves according to your comfort level. Wherever you want your neck to start, you can tie it at that particular point. And this one was again like fitted, nice fitting and I liked it, but the material is not very thick. I would say it's very thin, and if I have to compare it according to the price, so my size in this one is M and this was again for 539 rupees. However, the MRP of this one is 999 rupees and I don't know if I like it or not. I'm still confused about it. Okay, so the next category is bottoms, but उससे पहले we only have one कुर्ता, तो उसको देख लेते हैं. ये वाला कुर्ता ना देख के ही मतलब I feel so warm, hot, humid, ऐसा वाला feeling आती है that the material is not, it's not summer friendly. It's not. It's very thick and it's not summer friendly. Like it's not thick in a good way. It's thick in a bad way. But it's a really pretty one. So the size and the price. So I ordered L size. I've not tried it yet, but okay, it's not a kurta actually. It's a maxi dress, but it more of like the design makes it look more of like a kurta stuff, a kurta style. It's from the brand All About You, and it has embroidery all over it. If you can just see it, it has this embroidery on the neck as well. So this was originally for 3000 and I got it for 981. For 981 it is actually a good deal, and this is a little transy. I can see the camera through it, but my mom said that the material would be really itchy and it would eat you up. It's not summer friendly, she said that. I've not tried it. I will try it and see if the material is comfortable or not. So the one color that I ordered, and I really was so excited to try this one, and this one didn't disappoint me, is this one. It's in lavender color from the brand Sassafras. Sassafras ke bottoms without sale are on 2000 tak ki MRP, and this one was only for 600 something. So I have exchanged it because ये 30 size में मेरे को थोड़ा सा tight था from my hip area. It was just a little bit tight. अगर मैं थोड़ी सी पतली हो जाती तो मैं पहन लेती 30, बट मेरा पतले होने का अभी तक कोई इरादा है नहीं. So I ordered a size 32 and this one is for 571. ओरिजिनली ये 674 की थी बिना सेल के, बट ऊपर कूपन लग के इट इज़ ओनली फॉर 571 एंड I really love it. I really love it. Freakin से भी सस्ती. By the way, my Freakins haul is really doing well. So if you want to watch that one, you can go ahead and watch it. I'm really like overwhelmed by the response, and I really want to thank you again and again for making that video a hit. I only have 400 something subscribers, and that video is already at 8.5k views, which is really huge for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so this is the one, and let me see. ये ना मुझे बुर लग रही थी. अब I don't know if this is बुर को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. हाँ यार, इस पे बुर है. I don't know if you can see it, but I think you can see it. है ना, इस पे लग रही है ना थोड़ा सा. लिंट्स कहते हैं ना शायद, आई डोंट नो. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. इट इज़ इन अ लिटिल मॉम फिट फिनिश, एंड इट हैज़ दिस वाइट कलर की stitching on it, which makes it look a little more stylish than normal. So it is high waisted. It's really nice. It fitted me well. Even in 30 I fitted, but I was not comfortable, इसलिए मैंने size बड़ा मंगवाया. So I really like it, and you can actually buy this one. I am guilty for this one, but I ordered another white bottom, and this one was just so amazing. I actually इससे पहले एक बारी मैंने जब मिंत्रा हॉल डाला है, उस टाइम पे मैंने ये ख़रीदा था और मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया था जस्ट बिकॉज ये 900 रुपीज़ का था और मेरा दिल नहीं मान रहा था. मैंने कहा यार फ्रीकिन्स पे कुछ ऐसा आ गया तो मैं तब वहाँ से ख़रीद लूँगी या कुछ ऐसा. तो I didn't buy it at that time, but now when it was only for 600k around, let me confirm, when it was only for 556 rupees, how could I not even, how, just tell me how. So it has button closure, but सिर्फ button है नीचे. There's nothing like no zip, nothing. It is completely stitched over here, but वो zip जैसी उसको shape दे रखी है, but zip है नहीं. There's no zip, but there's the shape of it, that like the pattern of it still exists. And it has a chain, and it fits really loose, and you know, it's appropriate for airport looks. The material I think then is not good. If it is for 500 and it has lints on it, it's not a good material. I don't think so. You should go for it. अगर इस पे lints आ जाएंगे, you can buy it, you can try it. If you don't like the material, you can return it. I don't think so. The material is really good. And the last one is a really beautiful color. The price of this one is 525, the cheapest of all, and इसके भी material mein I see that. I see lens, yeah. See it for yourself. Can you see it? I doubt you can see it, but I think you can see it. So it has button closure with zip as well, and it has pockets. Size in white and size in this one is 32, and size in the lavender one is also 32. I mistakenly ordered 30, maybe 32 उस time पे out of stock था. I remember it now. I like the shape of this. I really like the color, and I am really a fan of this color these days. So I want to keep it, but I will confirm the material with my mom once, because I don't have a lot of knowledge on the materials. So I would confirm that with my mom once, and yeah. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.